Hello, everyone, and welcome to another section in which we will be discussing the concept of meeting in Metaverse. Lately, business all around the world have been adopting the concept of virtual meetings over in-person meetings. This this has helped them in cost cutting, hiring employees who lived further away, and an easy interaction of ideas around the globe. But most of these meetings tend to be very and dull. This can result in less productivity and difficulty in communications as well as the desired levels. Metaverse can come to rescue here, allowing us to fully immerse in the meeting environment. It replicates the feelings of being in actual room with others. With Meta formerly Facebook introducing its virtual workspace called Horizon Workrooms meet, Metaverse. Horizon Workrooms Metaverse concept has been making a big splash. Following is Microsoft, which is revamping its team workplace software to get on board on the metaverse friendly elements, the digitized future for meetings using metaverse in cases and experience of a deeper, really from flat screens to actually interacting with environment. The VR experience enhances communications, improves a better connection with other people. No matter the distance, this will be a better option for people working in remote or hybrid model to really interact and change the meeting scenarios than just starting at 2D screen. Many big companies like Microsoft, Google, Meta, along with Zoom and Teams Workplace, are heavily invested into development for extending the metaverse features for people to come together. This can lead to open better remote working for their employees or services to their customers. The ultimate concept is putting the human elements back into the virtual meetings, enhancing relationships, providing better communication, increased flexibility of the workplace, and both increased productivity. This will also allow infinity personal customization to the environment you are working in. Metaverse changes the future of work. So let's let's imagine that the play and socialization, all this achieved through a 3D space using digital avatars, and this 3D avatar would be able to attend meetings in a virtual office space or any virtual world, and it would be able to interact with co-works avatars. The current version of metaverse meetings seem pretty crude, with people transformed as animated tourists floating around a virtual boardroom. We can bring our laptop into the virtual meeting space to take a notes or present some information in future. It hold also include virtual conference panels and more through some teach giganets are helpful that this metaverse wave will help their employees achieve more realistic working environment with metaverse meetings. Actually, uh, there are tech who believes this experience will make interaction worse this belief that the elements of metaverse meeting which are involved in personal meetings cannot be uh, mim- mimicked through the avatar and will leave us more disconnected. As an example, the ability to read the body language, which is one of the most important cues for the listeners to better grasp and be lacking in the metaverse. They will also lack physical environments and objects that reduce our ability to develop memories, uh, uh, interact linked with physical location. It is also that is in a long run, this will also cause situations like Zoom figures, and this is also, uh, this is also cuts the attendance from the real world they are currently in while attending a meeting in metaverse, causing them because this technology and the VR technology which is using a metaverse, they make them to lose. They think that they make them to lose like touch with reality for that moment. Some other factors like mismatching eye contact and the current cartoonish virtual reality and unrealistic representation of non-verbal communication will limit the true potential of what this experience could have been or over the current versions are not quite professional and are unlikely to be extended to client meetings or some meetings of this importance. It is that there's a long way to go in terms of including sophisticated technology and designing and building tools to reach the point where we meetings and metaverse could be realistic and it could be realistically adopted in every work culture of including sophisticated technology and designing and building tools to reach the point where we meetings and metaverse could be realistic and it could be realistically adopted in every work culture. But the idea is truly integrating. This is to let us have a better workspace and productive meetings that all for session for any query. I hope to hear from you. Any questions? Thank you very much for listening this and watching this video.